telling that it's human nature.
Right, right.
Does he do me that way? Right, right.
Telling me that it's human nature.
I like to love me this way.
Bro, as y'all can see this right here, bro, I'm kind of frustrated, right? I did this video yesterday, right here. Y'all can see this is the video right here. Cause when Gabriel dropped this, I saw it. I was in the studio, shot the video, went to edit it. Y'all don't know what will go behind the scene doing this thing, man. Y'all don't know, bro. Went to edit the video, my mic was muted. Y'all can see right here. That's me talking the whole time. No voice. That's me. Piang, 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 piang. I was so disappointed, bro. I just was like, God damn it. You know, like you feel like you want to pick something and break it? That's how I felt. But I was like, you know what? We can still do it. So if y'all watching this video, man, y'all do me a favor. Y'all run them likes up. Y'all make sure y'all go to Gabriel channel. Y'all go show him some love. Human Nature by MJ. Gabriel is doing the cover. This is MJ session. This is MJ season. Did y'all watch the movie? Y'all let me know in the comment section if y'all did. How is the movie? What do you guys rate it? Right? But y'all know what time it is. Let's go ahead and see what Brother Gabriel got for us, man. Let's go.
Looking out across the night time, the city weak is sleep inside. Hear her voice shake my window, sweet seducing sound. Get my heart.
Oh my God, bro. I just like to see how Gabriel shifted his vocals, bro. He put them in the throat and shifted them. Like it got us wondering, like, God damn it. Like, how you do this, bro? You know what I mean? Like the way he comes out with the vocals, take his time and just let them take your soul.
Through the night time, for walls won't hold me tonight. If this town is just an apple, then let me take a bite. If they say right, tell that it's human nature. Right, does he do me that way? If they say right, tell me that it's human nature. Right, does he do me that way?
Y'all know, like us as humans, sometimes it's certain things that you cannot control them. You just let them. You are just a human, bro. You are just, don't you fart? Don't y'all be farting, bro? That's one of the things as a human that you can't control. You know what I mean? I didn't say it, but y'all be farting. I know that.
Reaching out to touch a stranger, electric eyes are everywhere. See that girl, she knows our words. She likes the way I stare. If they say right, tell them that it's human nature. Right, does he do me that way? If they say right, tell me that it's human nature. Right, does he do me that way? I like it living this way. I like it loving this way.
Hey.
That way. Oh.
That boy cried like a cat. He cried like a meow. Did y'all just see what Gabriel did there, bro? That boy came around crying like a meow. Oh my goodness. It's just something about him, bro. Like how? You know what I mean? It's just something about that boy when it comes to this thing, man. He be like, I stole that shit. What Signal say? I stole. He just come and get yourself and get on it and just stole that shit, bro. He does this for a living. And then he make it look so easy.
Right. Telling that it's human nature. Right. Does he do me that way? If they say, right.
Tell me that
right. Does he do me that way? If they say, right. Telling that it's human nature. Right. Does he do me that way? If they say, right. Telling that it's human nature. Right. Does he do me that way?
Damn it. He don't miss. That boy doesn't miss. We can never regret sitting on a Gabriel session. We can never regret listening to his cover, bro. Cause he just be stealing that shit. He just be taking it and making it his. Adding on top of it, bro. Wow. Which song was this that I was thinking that we should recommend for Gabriel to do? Monkey. Is it Monkey? Yes. I don't think Gabriel have done that song. Y'all should spam it in the comment, bro. Y'all should go tag Gabriel for Monkey. Like, we need a Monkey cover from Gabriel. Y'all know that song, right? We need it from Gabriel, bro. I don't think he did it yet. I don't know. I don't think so.
Telling that she's human nature. Right. Does he do me that way? Right.
Telling me that he's human nature.
I like to love me this way.
Singing, bro. Oh my goodness, bro. I love this right here, man. You could be having a bad day, but the moment you see Gabriel, bro, just know like all them bad days are over. Just know them bad days are over. I even got bills to pay tomorrow until this session is done. And then it's like reset, come back to reality, man. Right. Telling me it's human nature. Right. You do me that way. Why? Are you telling me it's human nature? Why? But you do me that way. Oh my God. Bro, MJ just sitting in heaven or in hell. You know what I mean? With that afro, cause God whipped his ass. Like, what did you just do? Why is your hair like this? Why is your nose like this? Bye! God said back to it. Afro, big nose. He just sitting there doing this to Gabriel, bro. Smiling and doing this to Gabriel. This is what MJ is doing right now. Smiling so hard. Clapping so hard, bro. Hitting his chest and being proud of himself for what he left. Oh my God, bro. Which song? Y'all should tag Gabriel. Let's get Monkey. Let's go.